Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video we will look at how we can install or load multiple packages all at once, and this is a typical requirement where let's say you are initializing a script, or let's say you are initializing in our environment and you need to load certain package. So we are not required to install or load individual packages. Instead this can be done using a simple for loop along with the require function. So let's start. I'm creating a vector which contains the name of the packages. So nm is that, and then I'll be using for loop for I in nm. I will just try to first print them out. Okay, now I will check if the package is already there. Okay, so what required does is, let's say if the package is already there, it returns a true, otherwise it returns a false. So what we need to do is, let's say if the package is not there, then I have to install dot package, otherwise I just have to load it using library. Now you must be thinking, why have I included character dot only? Since the packages that we are using is in the form of a string, therefore it enables the require or library function to recognize I as a character or as a string. If we don't include it, it will throw an error. Okay, let's try and run it. Okay, so it's already there, and we see uh, we see that the library or the packages were loaded. Let's try to add one more package here, tidyr. Since I have been running R on the system, therefore these packages might have already been installed. Okay, let's see. Okay, so since I added tidyr, see it is now there in my console. So this is a quick and easy way to basically load all the packages at once, and you can. The most important thing to note here is you basically need a require and library function to accomplish this. I hope this video was useful. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel.